G'day folks, it's DIY Guy 123 here. I've taken my roll and made sure it was tightly wound. That's extremely important. And it's also important that there's a hard piece of cardboard in back of there. If you don't have that cardboard, the inner few wraps of this material are going to get destroyed by the saw. And if it's not tight, same thing. Flat this way and this way. This blade will go to there, and that is going to cut all the way through. Make sure you've got a good blade and go slowly. Make sure this is super clean. You don't have wood chips or sawdust on here. Blow that all off before you begin. Okay, so I went quite slow, as you could see, and the reason why is I didn't want to pick up this edge, and you want a nice straight edge, so that's what we've got all around here. The outer maybe one or two wraps might not be as smooth as I'd like. I'll know that when I start to unroll it. And now you have a 2-inch strip to do something else with. So I wasn't super thrilled with how smooth the cut was from the saw, and there's the original with a little bit of dirt in the bottom. And it had some kind of rough spots, and what I was worried about is when I unrolled it, if you looked along a straight line, you'd see like a divot every 6 inches or every 3 inches or something. So I want to take that out of it, and the way I'm doing it is I'm using an orbital sander with 120 grit sandpaper. And if you just put the orbital sander on top like this, what's going to happen is the orbital sander is going to have, it's going to fray the outside edge. I learned on this shorter piece, and it kind of frays the outer edge. So instead, I'm taking the orbital sander. I know it rotates this direction, okay? It rotates like this. So I'm holding it like this, so it's always sanding towards the center of the roll instead of sanding out like, I've got it almost all smooth right here, and there looks like a divot right there. There's nothing to feel, it's just something you can see, like and there's a little bit of the adhesive that kind of melted there. Done sanding this, but just to show you. Super smooth, ready for installation. And we've got it right down over the trunk too. That's the end of this decal video. Good luck with your do-it-yourself projects. If you like my videos, please subscribe.